This is Yogesh Chabria. Many times I meet people and they complain to me. They say, Yogesh, we didn't get the chance to go to Harvard or Stanford or the IITs. How do we learn? We never went to a great university. And now the thing is, I've had the opportunity to meet, interact, visit some of the best universities in the world, the IITs, some of the best MBA schools. I've interacted with people who have gone to Harvard. They've been a part of our program, Stanford, great universities, great institutions. But at the same time, let me tell you one thing. If you truly want to learn, you don't need to go to any university. You don't need to go anywhere. You can learn right now. And in today's world, especially with access to the internet, with access to technology, you can reach out and learn absolutely anything. You should never have this in your mind that you can't learn. And on the other hand, also, if you've gone to any of these universities, if you think you know everything and you stop learning, you'll be left behind. And I'm reminded of a beautiful story from long back, from the Mahabharata. If you get a chance, please read the Mahabharata. It's a beautiful epic. And one of the stories is of a young boy, a tribal boy called Eklavya. Now, Eklavya has this vision in his mind. He wants to be the world's best archer. He wants to be the world's best archer. He's created a vision. He's created a goal. I shared about this in Succeed the Happy on Air Way too, how it's important to have a vision in your life. So he makes this vision for himself. And in those days, one of the best teachers in the world was Dronacharya. And this boy wants to learn from Dronacharya. But because of whatever circumstances, he's a tribal, he does not get the opportunity to learn from Dronacharya. So what Eklavya does is he creates a statue made out of clay of Dronacharya in the forest where he's living. He bows down to it, he prostrates to it, he meditates on it, and he starts learning archery. So he connects on a deeper level and he starts learning archery. He builds his concentration, he builds his focus, and he ends up becoming one of the best archers in the world without physically accessing the knowledge of Dronacharya. And it's such a beautiful, such a powerful story, because this happens even in today's world. There's so many people who are self-taught. They have focused their attention, their time on learning something, and they have gone all out. So if you want to learn in today's world, decide what you want to learn and focus on that. Focus your energy, focus your attention, and focus your love and devotion, and you will realize you will start improving, you will start learning. And that is how you learn. That is how we learn everything. So from this moment on, stop telling that you don't have the chance to learn or don't have the time to learn. If you truly want to learn, you will figure out a way. Take care. Have a beautiful evening or a beautiful day, and I shall see you soon.